Hi, this is Ryan on the Ryan J. Russell vlog. For those of you who don't know me, I am taking a math class through a program I'm in. I have to take it. So I thought I would make this video for my classmates and figure why not put it online for anybody that might need help. Excel is actually pretty fun. And it can do things automatically for you if you know about the functions. I used to know a lot more about Excel than I do now, but I love the sum function. This is a spreadsheet of a potential budget for 5 years from now. And I figure my YouTube and book writing and other gainful adventures will give me $25,000 a month at my lowest estimate. Now, I don't want to have to calculate all of this myself, so I highlight here, highlight all that. I go to Formulas, Math and Trigonometry, and Sum, which will do C3, this is column C, row 3, through C5, column C, row 5. And it will automatically add them together. I've already done that. And you can see in this bar right here, it says equals sum, parenthesis C3 colon C5 parenthesis. Down here on my expenditures, I once again did the same thing, again doing the sum function, which gives me my total expense. I said my starting balance was 0, just because that's easier. And so all my income at the low estimate is $25,000 a month. And then I get my remaining balance. How do I get my remaining balance, you ask? That is how, right there, if you can see that. It's equal sum, parenthesis, C27, column C, row 27, minus C24. 24. Okay, and to set that up, you would go to Math and Trig, Sum, and it wants to do C3 through C27. We don't want that, so you either have to edit all that here, or you could just go directly to this line. See, if I make it C23, that changes it, but I want C24. So if you only want to add two certain columns together, you put C27, comma, negative whatever other column you want to subtract. And that gives you your answer. And again, there are many functions in Excel, but Sum is the best for building a financial spreadsheet. I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope it helps you out.